Hi, I'm Robert Lisac, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a dandelion salad the Balkan way. I got the recipe from my grandmother and she was a really good cook. As you will see at the end of the video, it's not so much about the ingredients of this dandelion salad, but much more how you actually make this dandelion salad. Very often the dandelion leaves are very dirty, so wash the dandelion leaves several times to remove all the dirt, the sand and the small stones. If you're asking yourself, what is this channel all about? Here it's all about being safe, fit and prepared. These are actually qualities you want to have if you want to be a modern day samurai. And yes, if you want to be a modern samurai, you have to know how to cook. A very crucial ingredient for dandelion salad is garlic. And we have a saying here in Slovenia, and it goes like this: some cloves of garlic a day keeps your spouse away. But adding garlic to your dandelion salad has also other benefits. In times of lockdown and certain viruses, it really helps you with social distancing. The more garlic you add, the greater the social distance. In times of crisis, dandelion salad was often considered as a food for poor people, but since then many things have changed, and nowadays you can see rich people ordering at restaurants dandelion salad, and dandelion salad is wild food, and wild food is high quality food. If you want to upgrade your dandelion salad, you can also add some slices of hard cooked eggs, and what you want to do always is to add some cooked potatoes. A normal cook would cut the potato into thin slices and add it to the dandelion salad, but not my grandma. She was extraordinary and she did it like this. Why? Because potato that is smashed like this will absorb vinegar and oil, and this is what makes a dandelion salad really tasty. At the end, add some salt and pepper, and that's it. As you can see, my grandmother wouldn't just smash the potatoes with her hands, she also would mix the salad with her hands. And I think this is the right way to do it, because we lost really literally the touch with nature and with plants and with everything. So this is why I really appreciate her approach. As a modern samurai, you have to be fit, and you can be really fit if you don't eat healthy, and dandelion salad is really healthy food. If you know how to make yourself dandelion salad, then you are also prepared for some worse crisis, and you will survive for sure. This is it for today. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification and watch the next video on the end screen. See you in the next video. Bye.